I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, welcome to Nice Kitchen, everyone. So, thanks to everyone who have already subscribed to my channel. Okay, continue to share, comment, and hit the notification button, and continue to just share with others. So today in Nice Kitchen, we're gonna show you how to prepare pepper prawn. Okay, this is a request that a lot of my subscribers have asked me to do. So I'm doing it now. Okay, so what I've got here is my prawn. I've already washed it off with some lime juice. Okay, and what I've got there is my Dutch pot going. And to be honest, guys, I've got that on high flame. Okay, and what I'm going to be doing is the prawn straight in. Okay, I've got one Scotch bonnet pepper. I've cut it up in small pieces, and I'm going to add that to it. Also, I'm going to be adding some chili powder. And don't worry, guys, I'll put up the ingredients so you can see how to prepare it. Okay? I'm going to be adding some all-purpose seasoning to it. Just a little bit of fish seasoning as well. Little bit of fish. As you know, we're preparing sea creature here. What I'll be doing, guys, is just to give that a stir, because the pot is really hot. As you can see, the prawn color is actually, the shrimp color is changing now and coming up to the color that we really want to see. Okay. See that, guys? So all you have to do is just continue stirring for a bit, and then I'm gonna cover it. Find my pot cover. Find my pot cover. Just cover it for about a minute, and while you cover it, I've got my kettle. Just gonna add a little touch of hot water to it. Don't want to add too much, because you're not boiling the prawn. I'm not boiling. I'm just cooking it down nicely. So as I say, guys, this is a video that a lot of people have requested. So you know, for the fans, we have to please the fans, make sure the fans get what they request. You can smell the pepper there. So yes, guys, we're going to leave that for about 5 minutes, let it simmer. And then we'll show you the finishing. It's really hot. Yes, guys, so that's been going on for 5 minutes now. So look at that. See how lovely they look? So what I'm going to be doing now, I still think I want to add a bit more paprika to it. Slightly, not much. And guys, if you don't want to add paprika, you don't have to. Because as soon as the heat catch a prawn, that's a bit of all-purpose. As soon as the heat catch the prawn, they will just come to the color that you want it to have. Wow. I think I'm going to jump out of the pot, man. Alright. So I'm going to leave it for simmer now. I'm going to leave it for simmer for about another 7 minutes. Let it simmer for about 7 minutes, and I'll come back and show you what it look like. Okay? Yes, guys, so 7 minutes gone now, so we're going to check the thing. Look, see that? Lovely. So we're going to taste one and make sure it's down to our standard where we expect it to be. Grab a one fork and bust the thing. everything right. Pepper right, taste right. Lovely. And people, the thing with pepper prawn, when you eat one, it just make you want to eat more, like non-stop. Lovely. So there you go, guys. That's the finishing product. Okay? Yes, guys, so this is it. This is the finishing product. So that is my pepper prawn. Very simple to do. Okay? And precise. So guys, just continue to comment and share. Okay? And hit the notification button for loads more video coming. And so what I'm going to have my prawn with today, so what I'm having my prawn with today is I've got some fried bunny and I've got escovitch fish. Okay? With pickle and stuff all over it. So that is what I'm having my, it's like a seafood Saturday for me. Today is Saturday, it's a seafood Saturday. So guys, as I said, continue to comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you guys very much, and thank everyone for watching the videos and sharing them. Stay safe, and if you can't cook it, night it. One love.